How to add Facebook link on Instagram on your edit profile settings on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add Facebook link on your profile settings on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see, you go here to your profile icon, you will see edit profile, click on it, and here you will see links, click on it, and as you see here you will see add Facebook link. Just click on it and it will be added. And that's how to add Facebook link on Instagram on your profile settings. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.